We're going to do a small section of this Honda CR-V bumper, which is basically a plastic. And we're also doing this to show you if you have any kind of irregular surface, which isn't that irregular, but that you can use a fingernail brush,
yes,
to really get the polish into the area that you're trying to clean. So again, this restores the plastic back to its flat black area. Same polish that we used for the plastic up front, same one you've seen us using for paint, and again, almost any other area of the car or truck.
just go as far as you can with the washcloth first and just look at it, and there's your dead plastics. Go as far as you can. Get off as much as that with the wash rag first. Take a little bit, put it in your fingertip, smear it around. Just like so. And do this in the direct sunlight. Don't be afraid. This is not going to dry messed up on your surfaces. Actually, we want these pores open so we can deep clean it and get all this oxidation out.
This is the only time we tell you to put the polish directly on a surface.
And then good old-fashioned fingernail brush, nothing fancy. And just agitate it down into the pores where the wash rag won't quite reach. Like an old shoe polishing technique. Okay. Agitate it down in there.
Again, there are no braces in the polish. You're not going to scratch anything. The brush is only there to get the polish back down into the pores. So after you've done that, you'll follow back up with your cloth. You get a damp cloth with just a small amount of the polish on it.
And this requires no armor-alling once it's done. This is a...
Yeah, please don't do that.
Please don't add oil to this. This has been restored at this point. It's restored back to its original finish. And if you do this 2 to 3 times a year as you do the whole vehicle, these panels will never be faded again. They have the ability to make it through several washes.
And you won't have to work this hard the second or third time you do this.
Right.
The initial times when you're really going back down to the original.
Restoration 101.
Here, just pull a little more of the black off.
Okay.
And just like any other area of the car, we'll now take a water rag with some water on it. Apply a water sheen. Sets the acrylic. And after that, we will buff it out with a buffing cloth. And let the sun hit it for a little minute just so you know it's not water, making it shine.
In this step process here, what I like to do now is come back with the brush, just clean it up a little bit, knock the debris, and then give it a final brushing. Just make sure we got everything out of the pores again. It's very slick now. Take the pressure up a little bit. Just gently clean into the pores. And one last time with a little bit of water. And this panel will be finished. And this also shows you the durability, as I've already hit it after I polished it with a fingernail brush with nylon bristles. And I'm hitting it with more water. And the shine just gets better. That should explain the durability portion of this, as I doubt there is any other product out there that you could literally follow it up and hit it with the surface like that and not remove all your work. There you go.
There you go. So that is very smooth, very restored black plastic surface. It's got reflectivity in it. It went from basically looking like this to looking like this. That's the Acrylic-Werks polish on hard rubber.